So to catch you up, we're building an 8-foot by 8-foot deck, and we're building around a couple of these that are over there, so one of them anyway. So what I did was, the length of them was 8.5 inches, and I cut it down, or marked it to be 3¼ inches less than 8 foot. The reason I did that is because I want the two boards on the outside to cover the edges, so you don't see them only on the front. You don't see it against the back of the, up against the house. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. What I did was I laid it out so that when you pull from the finished 1.5 out here, it would fall out 16 inches to the center here. So I went back 3/4. Back 3/4 to get to this edge, and then I use this square, not speed square, but square, to mark it. And they actually can mark both sides. It'll cheap you one like that. And then I had this other board lined up straight on here, and just transferred the marks up. Okay.